Yo, 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 this is Saul, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team's called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, I swapped out Giovanni with Red here in the Pokemon Center. Let's see what he says. Okay! And with that said, time to give him everything he deserves, guys. We're going to level him up, going to give him all the moves he can. Blast Burn, Learn, yes. My Destiny, Learn, yes. Passive skills, Propulsion has a small chance of reducing the user's sync move countdown, yes. Piercing Gaze, moves never miss, yes. Move Gauge Refresh has a good chance of increasing the user's move gauge by 1 when a move is successful, yes. Lucky Skill, no items, later. And with that said, unlock level cap. I unlocked one of his level caps earlier at 60. Earlier. Now, let's continue. I hope I have enough items. Oh, shucks. Oh my goodness. This is bad. This is very bad. How do I get those items right now? Can I exchange items or something? Uh-oh. Guys, we have to postpone that a little bit. Have to postpone that. And so, I'm going to cut this video short and continue once I'm able to get all the items I need. Yo, 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 guys, we are back. And I think we already have enough. We have more than enough of these items required to unlock Red's level cap to maximum. We just got 8 Elite 4 notes from farming a lot. And with that said, time to level him up, guys, to level 120. Here we go. 169 of these 3-star level up manuals. And with that said, enjoy watching, guys. I'll leave this to load. And that's it, guys. We have leveled Red up to maximum. And he's currently the strongest character in terms of base stats right now, followed by Professor Oak. He has the highest total base stats, meaning we can do something else to make him stronger. And I think we're gonna do that, guys. Increase potential. I hope I have enough items though. If not, well, nothing we can do. But I'm not sure. I don't think I have enough. Or do I? I do, guys. I do. And with that said, I think Red is worthy of 5-star power-ups. I think Red is worthy of increased potentials. And with that said, here we go. And that is it, guys. This is Red. This is Sygna Suit Red, rather. And he's currently the very, very strongest character in the game right now. He has maximum stats. And that's it. I hope to use him in battle. And soon enough, I hope we're able to give him the lucky skills that he deserves. Like moves and skills. Red, lucky skill, but it's still locked. Need to, battle Villa in order to get those items. But battle Villa is kind of hard. We hope to progress. And, there's always Sync Grid to make him stronger. Haven't explored Sync Grid yet for Red. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Oh my gosh. Reduces the sync move countdown by 1 when a sync move is used for the first time. Nice. Right.